A very good morning to Dr. Zareen. In this pleasant morning, we would like to present about our mini project named Tic-Tac-Toe. Before starting off with our presentation, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Jaishnavi Muniswaran from DMF Section 2.
Hi, my name is Lavanya Anaprabha Karanamurthy from DMF Section 2.
I will introduce myself. My name is Nur Iza Atira binti Amir and I'm from DMF Section 2.
Hello, hi, my name is Angappan Analaki Kandipan. I am from DMF Section 2.
Hi, I'm Lavanya and I would like to talk about the first part of the coding. As we can see, the first part of the coding is started by the technique array, which represents 10 numbers. Next, we have used the do-while technique. In it, we have also used if-else. As we can see, tic-tac-toe is played by two players. Thus, the alphabet X represents player 1 and the alphabet O represents player 2. Each number from 1 to 9 is written in the tic-tac-toe box as this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The moves done by each player is considered invalid move if the player chooses the same number as the other. The second part and the third part of the coding would be explained by Angappan.
Lava has already explained about part 1 of the coding. Now I would like to explain about part 2 and part 3, which are part 2 is check win and part 3 is how to draw the board. There are 8 ways to win the game. The first is by vertical. There are 3 ways, which is first, second and third. And by horizontal there are 3 ways: first, second and third. And by diagonal there are 2 ways, which is by 159, 159 and 357. Now I will go to part 3, which is how to draw the tic-tac-toe board. First we will start off with 2 vertical lines, which is these 2 orange line. And then secondly we have to draw 2 vertical lines beneath the 2 vertical orange line, which is 2 blue line. This is first is second box and third box, and the blue line we need to draw left hand side of the second box, and second one is left hand side of the third box. Thirdly, we have to draw lines like this, which is in black color, this all line. Then we have repeat the same thing for the second half of the tic-tac-toe box. So finally the box will like this. The half of up and half of the down. So totally the board will like this.
As the output will come out, each box will present one number which is from 1 to 9, and as what Anga explained earlier, the outcomes of the tic-tac-toe board will shown on the screen.
Okay, so in this game, player 1 will be represented by X and player 2 will be represented by O or 0. So Iza will be player 1 and I'll be player 2. So we are going to start off with the first output, which is invalid. Okay, we shall start.
And
Iza?
then I will choose number 1.
I'll choose number 4.
And I'll choose number 2.
I'll choose 2. Okay, now as you can see, it has shown invalid move. So in order to correct what I have done, I have to press enter. So it will ask another new number, as you can see, which is player 2 enter a number. So this is how the output will be for invalid move.
Second part is the player number 1 will win.
Okay, so we'll start off as usual. Iza will start off as she's player 1.
And I will choose number 1.
I'll choose number 2.
And then and I will choose number 4.
And I'll choose number 5.
And then lastly, I will choose number 7.
So as you can see, the output is player 1 wins, which means she have already marked a line which is vertical, and this shows that player 1 wins. Okay, now we are going to look at the third output, which is game draw. When does a game become draw? Is when all the numbers have been entered and there's no overlapping between them. So as usual, you're going to start off the game with Iza.
And I will choose number 7.
I'll choose number 8.
And then I will choose number 9.
I'll choose 5,
And I choose number 2,
4,
6.
3.
And lastly, 1.
Okay, as you can see, the output is now game draw. So that's all for the sample outputs.
Okay, now we are finally done with our presentation. So let's go find for someone to test the coding. Hi. Sorry to disturb. Would you guys spend some time to play our coding?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, this game is called Tic-Tac-Toe. There'll be 2 players, which is you and him. The first player represents the alphabet X. The second one is alphabet O. When there's player 1 enter a number, you have to enter a number and your alphabet will appear in one of the boxes. So should we start? Okay, player 1 wins. Who's player 1?
How do you feel after you play this tic-tac-toe game?
I feel quite interesting and fun playing this type of games. Yeah, me too.